good. It's in room. And in room and food. That's what I want to see. Everything right now. Not you going in there. I've got a bit of propolis jamming it up, that's why. Good, that's better. Okay, good, alright. That's looking alright. Check it for weight. Still a little light. It's okay, they've got 3 frames in there right now. This goes on here. This goes in here. Oh, get out of there. No prisoners. No prisoners on the board. Means you. Get out. Okay, good. Alright, that's good. So that is grand. Now, so what I'll do here now is I'm going to take that box off and set it aside. Brush all the bees off it. Set it aside for robbing. So I will grab my camera stand for. Oh, yeah. It seems to be sport of the day today. Alright. Yeah, so that's good. Okie dokie. Get this out here. So, I can put those shells out there and get them condensed down. Grand. So, get this one and this one and this one and this one and this one over here. So those two need to come back with me. These 3 can stay here.